Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are observing here question number 5 is there, which is an exercise question given in page number 36 of chapter 3, atoms and molecules. The question is that give the names of the elements present in the following compounds. Here we are having the first one, quicklime. Quicklime is a common name for calcium oxide. And here we are having the elements which are present, calcium and oxygen. These two elements are present in this particular compound. B, we are having hydrogen bromide. In hydrogen bromide I can find that it is HBr. Here it is hydrogen element and bromine elements. These two elements are present in hydrogen bromide. Third one I can have here, it is baking powder. In baking powder I can find it is the common name for sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here it is having these elements, sodium, hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. So these elements are present in baking powder. Then we are having the fourth one, that is potassium sulphate. Potassium sulphate formula is K2SO4. I can find here potassium ion, sulfur ion and oxygen, not ion, that is elements which are present in this formula of the compound, potassium, sulfur and oxygen. So this way we need to solve this particular question. Hopefully all the students are getting these answers.